Good morning everyone, I welcome you all in today's different type of topic. It's selected by Hossein and this is global career. So what do you mean by global career? Suppose there are two types of ideas, local and global. Local means you are very much normal, natural, casual and like everybody. There is nothing different. But global means you are in the high standard, you have got some sort of different ability and you are not nationally working, rather you have had international communication and connection. Have a look. First thing that you have to have for global career is consultation. You should have a kind of consulting power, communication power, connection with some people who are very leading a very high standard life, good links. You are getting some ideas from them. Next one is evaluation. You have to evaluate yourself whether you deserve it or not. How much qualified are you? Then communication, which is very important, is public relations. If you want to get a very high standard job, definitely you should maintain good communication with some high ranking people or some people who are globally recognized, some people who are globally connected. Next one is assessment. You should get some feedback from some other people around if you communicate with all of them, and then your confidence will boost up. That is most important actually. You should assess yourself whether you deserve it or not, your confidence, motivation, inspiration and attitude. Three things: high motivation, positive attitude and high level confidence. These three things should be there in the assessment level. And then current job listing. You should have some sort of experience with the job and you should list it. You should mention the training, workshops, seminars, conferences, then vacations, wherever you have, whatever you have done. Suppose you have written some articles, anything that you have done, you should list it. Technology. You should know the use of technology perfectly. That will be very much helpful and it will make you globalized. Skill and experience. You should develop your skill and experience as much as you can. That will make you very confident. Coming to the very important idea. So, if you want to be developing yourself in a very high standard global career, you need intelligence, high level intelligence. You should be multiple intelligence is one of the idea that is very much helpful for you. Then very unique ideas. You should do something which is extremely unique, eye-catching and attractive. Physical stamina, hard-working tendency along with sincerity and timeliness will help you. Then computing skill. You should know what processing, Excel, PowerPoint presentation, Illustrator, every type of things that is there which is helpful for you to display something in front of the audience. Always online. You should be globally connected till you are always online. You will get information, any job search, any kind of job offer, any link, any vacancy, anywhere you could get connected very easily if you are always online. Then verbal ability. Oh, always online, I need to mention one thing. Facebook, Messenger, Viber, WhatsApp, then Telegram, Instagram, a lot of social media. There you should get well connected. Even LinkedIn, a lot of sites are there. Verbal ability, you should have the speaking ability in many languages. Basically, I should mention English, French, Hindi, Arabic. English, French, Hindi, Arabic, along with Bengali, that is your mother tongue. Then linguistic skill, I have already mentioned. Presentation skill. Your presentation skill is one of the things which is very important. When you are talking, your eyes, eye contact, body language, postures, gestures, it should be very much presentable to the audience. Last thing is a very impressive lifestyle. Suppose you have lost something. Your face shows that no, you are confident, nothing happened. You should have that ability to break the barriers and take the challenge. Do not look back, look forward. That will be very much helpful for developing global career. That's it from here. Thank you very much for watching this video.